Hi, I'm Raymond Tarr, CEO of Sagacity Diagnostics. I've spent more than 25 years shaping diagnostics and life science markets, leading global commercialization strategies, scaling breakthrough technologies, and decreasing the time it takes for patients to get answers. I founded Sagacity Diagnostics with a simple but powerful mission: to shorten the diagnostic pathway and bring clarity to care faster. Because when patients are waiting, every day counts. So how do we accomplish this? Let's cover 4 simple points. Point 1, focus on integration, not isolation. First, we need to stop treating diagnostics as a standalone function. The pathway to diagnosis is already fragmented: lab, clinic, payer, patient, and it's costing us time and outcomes. To shorten this path, integration is key. That means building cross-functional strategies that align R&D, commercial, regulatory, and market access from day one. I've seen this work. When teams collaborate early, solutions get to market faster and with greater impact. At Sagacity Diagnostics, we bring together the right stakeholders early to ensure solutions are not just developed, but adopted and reimbursed efficiently and at scale. Point 2, commercialization must lead innovation. Too often, brilliant diagnostic technologies stall in the valley of death between invention and adoption. That's why commercialization can't be an afterthought. It must lead innovation. With deep market insights and strategic positioning, we can accelerate uptake by identifying the right patient, the right provider, and the right channel. At Sagacity Diagnostics, we apply proven commercialization frameworks to ensure every launch moves the needle, both clinically and commercially. We don't just solve problems, we build pathways that connect science to the people who need it most. Point 3, empower clinicians with clear value. A diagnostic solution is only valuable if it changes clinical behavior. To shorten the path, we must empower clinicians with data they trust, solutions they understand, and workflows that fit their reality. This means designing diagnostics that provide actionable insights, not just results, and educating providers on how and when to use them. In my experience, successful adoption happens when you align clinical utility with real-world usability. That's how we ensure innovation doesn't sit on a shelf. It's used and it saves lives. Point 4, drive global collaboration for scalable impact. Finally, to truly shorten the diagnostic timelines at scale, we need to think globally. Diseases don't respect borders, and neither should our strategies. With decades of international experience, I've seen firsthand how partnerships across geographies and sectors can unlock access, reduce duplication, and scale impact faster. At Sagacity Diagnostics, we work with global networks to bring the best diagnostic solutions and strategies to market quickly wherever they're needed most. The diagnostic pathway is more than a process. It's a lifeline. At Sagacity Diagnostics, we're committed to shortening that path, accelerating access, and doing what's right for patients. If you're ready to challenge the status quo and bring transformative diagnostics to market faster, let's talk. Because when it comes to healthcare, insight isn't just powerful, it's personal.